Hey, Marvin Diaz from Tonic. We're trying to improve developer productivity with the tenets of simplicity, freedom of control, and ease of use. So, 5 updates from the last 2 weeks. Here we go. Number one, made the firm decision to decrease product scope to an extension rather than an entire IDE as the first step for version 1 to gauge user sentiment, willingness to pay, but also give us an achievable goal to ship as soon as possible. Number two, conducted a second round of 12 user interviews to identify their problems with very UI-specific Flutter development challenges. Number three, built a Figma prototype and soft launched it on the Tonic Discord server. Join if you haven't. And conducted specific user interviews based on our version 1, I guess. Number four, reviewed major updates from Figma Config 2023. I think it was a fantastic event, and something that is particularly interesting to me was the developer tools, Figma set of developer tools that converts design to code. I gave it a spin for myself and I'm very impressed with it. So keeping a close eye on that and modifying our product as we build it out. And number five, conducted the second bunch of around 7 user interviews. We're still going through that process to identify the top 10 components used by Flutter developers so we know where to start when we actually start building these components. So follow us along, join our Discord if you haven't, and see you in 2 weeks. Bye.